Guys, yeah, I'm sleeping in the cartoon every day like this. Do it like this every day. So a little early, a little bit early because long time to do this one. Small space, so that's why sometimes your shoulder is very painful like this. That's the light, OFW light. I have bed upstairs, but you see, very near in the ceiling. Cannot. Very difficult to sleep there. Okay, so that's why I decided to sleep in the floor. So very small. Very small. Cannot stretch your arms. But actually, really thankful because there's a space to sleep. Okay, so thank you so much.